Hi guys, picked this up in the charity shop today. Saitake whatever. Should be able to connect it to my phone and use it for playing games. It says support for Android 8.0 above. I think I'm on Android 13 or something on this one. So we'll give it a try. Now I'm filming it using one of my action cameras, because obviously I can't film what I'm doing if I'm using my phone. Right, this is it. Oh, because I expect I've got to put it on charge first, haven't I? Is there an on-off button? Is there any instructions? There we are. Step 1. Download and install Shooting Plus V3. Okay, well we'll stop filming. I will download, if I can, Shooting Plus V3, and then while I'm doing that I'll put this on charge. The red lights come on for charging, so yeah, we'll leave that and I'll download the app. Well, Shooting Plus V3 is available. Bluetooth tool for mobile handles and thrones. Oh yeah. Oh dear. It's got a lot of low reviews, not very many high reviews. Oh well, we'll see. I expect this is all out of focus, but yeah, it's the usual I agree to your policy. Open floating window permission to experience a variety of functions. Okay. Does that mean I got to enable that? Yeah, I'll be very surprised if you can actually see what the writing says on this camera, because I expect we're too close for focus. Might have to look at the Android tutorial there. I'll click that for now. Might have to change it. Right, I've got to turn this on. How do we turn it on? We might have to go and look at the tutorial. Press the Android button. I don't see an Android button. Those aren't buttons, those are LEDs. Oh! Press the mode button. I don't want iOS. I don't seem to be able to move that selection up to Android. There's a reset down there. That might be what I need to do, because it's just coming on to iOS each time instead of Android. Let's have a look on here, see if we can actually find it anyway, even if it's set up wrong. So, Bluetooth STK-707, yeah, that's the one. Pair. Connected. Oh, and it's automatically gone to Android at the top there, so it's recognised it. I'll select a game at random and see if we can do anything with it. Traffic Rider. Settings. Controls. Doesn't look like this one will accept. Right, if all else fails, go and have a look at the instructions. That's what I'll do. I'll go and download the tutorial and see what happens. Site can't be reached. Oh, what a surprise. Okay. How about that one instead? Right, well, we're not getting very far there, are we? I'm going to have to go, I think I'll go on my computer and search for it, see if it's available anywhere, even if it's not available from the original site. Just another quickie. It doesn't fit. My phone doesn't fit in there. It probably will fit if I take the case off it, but it doesn't fit with the case on it. Oh dear. Well, we'll carry on for a bit longer. Right, I found a few videos on YouTube, quite a few. Looks like this has been around since 2006 or something, so anyway, I've just turned the app back on again. It's saying it's disconnected at the moment, fair enough. Do I want it to find and connect to? Yes. Okay, what happens now if I press that button? Connecting. Turn it on perhaps. Right. Try again. That's better. Yeah, that's gone up to Android, so we're now connected. Tells us we've got 40% of battery at the moment. Okay, so we are connected. So that's us. Select new, save, close. What does select do? Switch to presets. Oh, I see. So if you're playing one of those games, they've got the settings already set up for you. If you load that game up again, wherever I was. Close that down. Traffic Rider. Right. Select it. And then I can move the controls around, and then once you're happy with them, as I say, no good for this game in particular because this one uses the gyro whatever. So if we put button B over there, and then no, they all moved. Right, button B over garage, save. Save the preset scheme to device. Okay. So now we're on here. If I press button B, will it operate the garage? No. So I need to... Yeah, B is still there. B just moved. B there. So, save the preset scheme to the device. And that's not doing anything. I would have thought telling that B was over the garage button meant when I press B, that ought to select garage. Let's move A over there. Save it. No. Well, doesn't look like it's going to work for me, or at least not on this game. Well, the only thing that I have figured out, mode button to switch it on. It finds it's Android, and hold the mode button on to switch it off. That works. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.